How to use TikTok Q&A feature on live. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In order to use TikTok Q&A feature for live, you'll have to first set it up. So you want to open up TikTok. Once you open up TikTok, head into your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From here, you can head into settings and privacy. Once you're under settings and privacy, head into the accounts tab, and under accounts tab, make sure you have switched to creator account or the business account. Then you can go back to your settings and head over to Creator Tools. Now in my case, Creator Tools is not available for me. You need to have at least minimum of 10,000 followers and 100,000 views on your post in past 30 days. So once you have that visibility, head into the option Creator Tools, and under it you can select Q&A and you can proceed to turn it on under the live section. So once you have it turned on, the next step, you can set it up during your live by starting your live stream and selecting the Q&A icon. It looks like a question box icon with a heart. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.